What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another video. Thank you for stepping into this video to watch. Hey, quick announcement. This is a very short video. Listen, we are about to hit 3,000 subscribers on this channel, the Nicholas Woolsey channel. As you can see right here, we are at 2,970. That is 30 away from hitting 3,000, and I'm super pumped about this. A few years ago, when I was just starting YouTube, I made a decision that I would do giveaways whenever we hit milestones, and I hadn't done any giveaways for the 1,000 and the 2,000 subscriber points, and so I want to kick it off at the 3,000 subscriber mark, and then every single time we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll do another giveaway and just kind of give back to the community that is spending so much time watching these videos. I really appreciate it. So here's what we're gonna do. Any of you that want to join this giveaway, to put your name in the hat, so to speak, to enter the giveaway, what we're going to be giving away is this right here. This is an organizer for all of your electronics, your cables, and that sort of thing. You can see we have two mesh pockets here that are big enough to hold the iPhone 11 Pro Max, super awesome, Samsung Galaxy S10, I think is what it is. It'll hold that too. And then it has a bunch of little elastic bands. You can put your cables in, you can put pens, you can even stick a notebook in here and then zip it up closed. I'm gonna be giving this away. The brand is Be Unique, Be Myself. B-U-B-M. Bubum. Boobum. I don't know, whatever. So I'm gonna be giving that away. That is going to be the prize for this giveaway. If you want to enter, if you want to put your name in the hat for this, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed, that you like this video, and that you drop a comment in the comment section below. The reason for this is very simple, yet very important, because when we actually do hit the 3,000 subscriber mark, which should be in 2 or 3 days, I'm thinking could be sooner, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a random comment picker for YouTube, and it's gonna sort through all the comments from this video, and it's gonna choose someone at complete random. And so that person that it chooses is going to win this. If you are in the United States, I will ship this. If you're outside of the United States, I will order one on Amazon and have it shipped to you. All right, guys, so if you happen to be the winner of this drawing, you will have to provide a physical shipping address where I can send your winning item to. Once again, I wish you guys all the best. Good luck. Thank you for your comments down below. If you're not already subscribed and you want to join this drawing, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, enter a comment. It could be anything. Just say hello, or you could say, you can tell me how much you want to win this. It's all up to you. I'll see you guys on the next video.